Well, this wind's picked up on Barman's Lake. Had 2 more fish from down in the margin, as you've just seen. A little common and a nice metalcarp. But as I've been sat here, my back pain, there's been fish showing midways out here, head and shoulders, coming up. So I've reeled me zig in and put it onto same rig as what's out, bit of pink. I've still got some bags that I made up last night, so I might change that. Hello, I mean, look at that, look at that, on the video as well. Oh my days, that was a beast. I'm going to put this camera down now, get back in tune with this. Oh, this is going this. So I'm going to pause this now and get it in.